Good morning everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Automotive here, bringing you some beautiful new stock this week. First of all, my personal favourite, the Mercedes A35, the perfect hot hatch. This one is top spec, it's the Premium Plus model. It is in absolutely beautiful condition. It's finished in Cosmos black metallic paint. It has 2 keys, 2 owners, full Mercedes service history. It's just absolutely stunning. It's also got the AMG lovely goldy orange brake calipers, which I love. Very, very sought after these cars when they've got the right spec. This one has the Aero Kit, spoiler on the back, privacy glass as well. It's just absolutely stunning. It's in really beautiful condition. It's got the night pack, it's got sliding pan roof, stunning black and diamond cut alloys. The condition of the paint on it is absolutely fantastic as well. We always recommend getting our ceramic paint protection package just to perfect and protect the paint. But it is in beautiful condition. It's not one to be missed. They always sell super fast when they have the right spec. There's plenty of them on the market, but it's finding one with the pan roof, with the Aero Kit, with all the added options that you want. Let me show you the interior. You've got electric memory seats, the heated seats of course, ambient lighting which is colour changing as well, which is stunning. I love that. Big digital display, sliding pan roof, perfect for summer. It's in beautiful condition inside as well. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, etc. You've got your camera, plenty of storage, different driving modes, adaptive driving modes as well. Sliding pan roof. Can't live without one of these. We probably wouldn't buy one without the pan roof. It's been really, really cherished and well looked after. As you can tell, I'll show it in the back. Unmarked alloys, Pirelli tyres in there all round as well, with good tread. Should be from the front. Lovely condition in the back as well. You've got the carpet mats all in place. You do get the Burmester sound system on these as well, so it's a much better sound system, the Burmester, compared to the standard. Plenty of room in the back as well, parcel shelf. We have some excellent rates of PCP and HP finance available to buy this car, so plenty of purchase options to suit every budget, monthly, or if you want to buy the car outright.